Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate your Netspend prepaid card online. I will show you the step-by-step process on how you can activate your Netspend prepaid card. So follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's move on to the video. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser of your choice, and there in the URL bar search for Netspend prepaid card activation. And then from the search result, tap on the very first link, activate your card/Netspend prepaid card account. Once you do that, you will end up to its activation page. Now you have to simply type in the card number and the security code. For the card number, you will see the card number on the front of your card. Type in that number here. And for the security card number, you will see 3-digit number on the back of your card. Now type in that 3-digit number here. Now once you're done with typing in the card number and security code, tap on continue button. If the card number and the security code that you have typed in are correct, then you will be able to activate your Netspend prepaid card online. That's how easily and quickly you can activate your Netspend prepaid card online. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.